Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainable elegance, an exciting movement transforming how we create beautiful furniture and decor. As environmental awareness grows, more artisans and homeowners are turning to reclaimed wood to craft stunning pieces that are both eco-friendly and stylish. Reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also adds character and uniqueness to each item, making it highly desirable in the market. In this session, we'll explore how you can turn discarded wood into high-value furniture and decor that appeal to modern, eco-conscious consumers. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a beginner, these ideas will inspire you to start your journey towards sustainable craftsmanship. Additionally, we'll share tips on sourcing reclaimed wood, designing with it in mind, and marketing your creations for maximum profit. This approach combines artistry with sustainability, creating products that tell a story and stand out in any space. Let's unlock your potential to turn waste into wealth while making a positive impact on the environment. Reclaimed wood offers numerous benefits that make it a preferred choice for sustainable decor. First, it's environmentally friendly. Repurposing old wood prevents deforestation and reduces landfill waste. Second, reclaimed wood possesses a unique charm. Each piece has its own history, knots, grains, and imperfections that add authenticity and depth to your designs. Third, it's highly durable. Aged wood often surpasses new timber in strength, making it perfect for furniture that lasts generations. Additionally, working with reclaimed wood can be more economical, especially when sourcing from local sources, saving you transportation costs and reducing your carbon footprint. The aesthetic appeal is undeniable. Furniture and decor made from reclaimed wood exude rustic charm and vintage elegance, fitting seamlessly into both modern and traditional interiors. Plus, consumers are increasingly seeking eco-friendly products, making reclaimed wood items more marketable. By choosing reclaimed wood, you're not only creating beautiful, high-value products but also contributing to a more sustainable future. It's a win-win situation for artisans, homeowners, and the planet. Turning reclaimed wood into high-value furniture involves skill, patience, and attention to detail. Start with basic projects like tables, shelves, or accent pieces. These are easier to master and highly marketable. Use quality tools such as saws, sanders, and clamps to achieve precise cuts and smooth finishes. Proper preparation is key. Clean the wood thoroughly, remove nails and staples, and sand it to reveal its natural beauty. Pay special attention to joinery. Strong, seamless joints add durability and a professional look. Finishing touches make all the difference. Consider eco-friendly stains, oils, or waxes that enhance the wood's natural grain without harming the environment. Customization options such as engraved designs or unique finishes can elevate your piece's value. Remember, presentation matters. High-quality photos and well-crafted packaging can significantly boost sales. Market your furniture through local craft fairs, online platforms, and social media. By mastering these techniques, you can produce high-value, sustainable furniture that appeals to discerning buyers and commands premium prices. Effective marketing is essential to turn your reclaimed wood crafts into profitable products. Start by building a compelling brand story. Highlight the sustainability aspect, craftsmanship, and uniqueness of your pieces. Use high-quality photos that showcase the texture, details, and versatility of your furniture and decor. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to reach a wider audience interested in eco-friendly living. Share behind-the-scenes content, sourcing stories, and customer testimonials to create an authentic connection. Consider setting up an online store through platforms like Etsy or Shopify for direct sales. Participating in local markets and craft fairs can also boost visibility and allow customers to see your craftsmanship firsthand. Collaborate with interior designers or home decor influencers to expand your reach. Offer customization options and bundle deals to attract more buyers. Remember, consistent branding and storytelling about sustainability will help position your products as high-value, eco-conscious choices. With strategic marketing, your reclaimed wood creations can gain recognition and command premium prices. Pricing your reclaimed wood furniture and decor correctly is crucial to ensure profitability. Consider factors such as material costs, labor, overhead, and your desired profit margin. Reclaimed wood, being a premium material, allows you to charge higher prices, especially for handcrafted, unique pieces. Research market prices for similar products to stay competitive yet profitable. Offering customization and limited edition collections can justify premium pricing. Factor in time spent on sourcing, designing, crafting, finishing, and marketing when setting your prices. Don't undervalue your craftsmanship. Artisanship and sustainability add significant value. Consider offering tiered pricing for different levels of customization or complexity. Promotions, discounts for repeat customers, and seasonal sales can help boost sales volume. Keep detailed records of costs and sales to analyze profitability and adjust your strategies accordingly. Setting the right price point will help you maximize profit while emphasizing the high-value, eco-friendly nature of your products. Building a loyal customer base that appreciates quality and sustainability. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.